Hi everybody, we're back for math, and just like we always do at school when we come in before math, we're going to do our yoga poses. We will do a flow. I've chosen 3 cards today. Let's see if we remember what they are. We have, hi sun. We stand up tall and reach high to the sun. Say hi sun and reach as high as you can. Go ahead and try that. The next pose in our flow is crescent moon. We reach our arms up high to the sky and stretch to one side. What shape are we making? A shining crescent moon. Breathe in and stretch to the other side. And our last pose today is, waterfall. We reach up high to the sky and then fold forward like a waterfall. Whoosh! Let's work on our flow. Stand up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hi, sun. Breathe out. Breathe in. Crescent to the left. Breathe in. Crescent to the right. Let all your air out. Whoosh. Waterfall. Waterfall. Hi, sun. Crescent to the left. Crescent to the right. Whoosh! It's a waterfall. Now sit down. Namaste. For math today, we're going to get a few things ready that we'll be using the rest of the week or the rest of the month in our math class. The first thing we're going to do is the calendar. I guess I'm going to have to be the helper. So we've missed a few weeks of school and we've moved to a new month. Does anybody know what our new month is? It's April. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. I've been sharing quotes with you for each day when you've been at home, but I'm going to read them after we do the calendar each day. The quote for April 6th from our 365 Days of Wonder book says, "Be the change you want to see in the world." And that quote is from Mahatma Gandhi. So think of things you can do to change to make the world a better place. Maybe your love messages that you wrote earlier today. The next thing we're going to do is get ready for our counting. You're going to need 2 pages in your math book today. The first page you're going to need is page 301. It's a 120 chart. It's just like our chart that we have in the classroom, but it's in your math book. Except it's missing a lot of the numbers. That's your first job today when you get done watching me teach. You're going to go in and fill in all of those numbers. It's a good thing we've been practicing on our scrolls, but this time, remember, your numbers are going to go vertical instead of horizontal. You'll notice that it starts to be a pattern. We're all the way at the 117th day of school. That was the day that we left, way back last March 16th. So today, I will circle 118. That's the same as 100, there's our 100 day, plus 10 more, plus 8 more. we only have 2 spaces left on this chart before we'll have to turn it over if we were at school. But since this one we can't turn over, we're going to make one to add onto it. For that, you will need page 281 from your math book. And we're going to have to change a few things because this one also goes up to, this one only goes up to 100, but we're going to start at 121. So the first thing you'll do when you get on this page is look at that 100 in the corner and you'll change it to 200. You'll have 2 columns that we won't need at all. This is where the glue will go. It's like how we do our scrolls, but again, it's vertical instead of horizontal. The only other number you need to switch is 21 was written there for you. You're going to put a 100 before it and it's going to become 121. And then you will continue adding all of the numbers up to 200. Look for patterns. 121, 131, 141, 151, 161, 171, 181, 191. I noticed that in the top row, there's 1 in the ones place on all of the numbers. Then there's a 2. Then there's a 3. If I were to cross those out, I could see 12 because it's like 12 groups of 10, which is 120 where we left off over there. So this will take you some time today. Take breaks while you're doing it if you need to and work on your numbers. Maybe a grown-up or a big brother or sister can help you out if you're getting stuck. Once you have all of the numbers written in, you're going to do some cutting and pasting. So you're going to cut around the big rectangle on your first chart, and you'll notice that I've added in the lines for our groups of 10. I've colored the 5s where we snap and the 10s where we clap. And don't worry, we're going to count to 118 before we leave today. So I'm cutting out that rectangle. And now I'm going to cut out the next rectangle. Make sure you refer to these pages, page 301 and page 281, because that's in your math book where you can find the vertical 100 charts or 120 charts. So I'm cutting around this one. Remember, I don't need those first 2 columns because I'm starting at 121. So I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put glue in those 2 columns and then carefully line it up just like you've done with your scrolls before. Oh, and look at that. It matches up. And once again, a 1 is in the ones place, a 2. So it's, once you get the hang of it, it's just simply following a pattern when you're writing numbers. Okay, let's stand up. I'll sit up. We're going to do our counting and we're going to stop at 118. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, bump. It is our 118th day of kindergarten. Have a great time getting your chart ready, and we'll continue to circle days in our math class every day. One additional thing I'd like you to do to get yourself ready for some more math this week. When we read our love book earlier today, it said love comes in the shape of a heart and sparkles like a diamond. We know that a diamond is like a star in the sky. If you look in your math book on page 257, you'll see a page filled with stars. Here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to color all of the stars the same color on one side. Then carefully cut your stars out and color them all a different color on the other side. You'll need to cut them out first because you won't see the shape of the hearts before you color the second side. So you need 2 colors and your scissors for this activity. And then keep your stars somewhere where we can use them to find partners later this week. Have a great day. I'll check in with some of you later, and I'll see all of you tomorrow.